Well, DoorDash has been flying, David, and
Yeah.
that's because they posted record order growth. Company raised its full-year order forecast despite softer consumer spending. What we really have to do is drill down about what it matters for people at home or not at home. So joining us now in a CNBC exclusive interview is DoorDash CEO and co-founder Tony Xu. Tony, I'm so glad that you're on. There's a lot happening at your company.
Absolutely. It's so great to be with you guys.
All right, so it's obvious that business is terrific, and a lot of the smaller guys are going away. I want to be sure that you're going. I don't know how much you're really going for cash flow, say what they're doing over at Uber, and how much you're just going to subsidize your European operations, which could be great, but right now are, let's say, expensive.
Well, I would say a few things. First, DoorDash has always been a very disciplined company that has always, beat its top and bottom line guidance. In fact, from a bottom line perspective, we've been cash flow positive for several quarters in a row now. And so, for us, we've always been able to show those profits in the core U.S. restaurants business, which has allowed us to make investments, whether it's our non-U.S. operations overseas or our investments into new categories like grocery and convenience, which are growing in triple digits.
All right. Well, you're up against when you go into grocery. You're up against some other companies like Instacart that is very much involved. It's very well capitalized. Obviously, we know that Uber wants to be in everything. I was surprised, Tony, that there haven't been more of a drop off in that particular business because it's so competitive. Can you really make money away from just traditional restaurant delivery?
We think so. I think you have to think about it from two perspectives. On one hand, we have to look at just how early the penetration levels are in these categories. As the market leader here in the U.S. in restaurant delivery, we're just 8% of sales. And when you look at us outside of restaurant food, we're less than 1% of grocery and convenience spend. And so there's a long runway ahead. And then on the other side, I look at the performance and the progress that we've made, adding over 80,000 stores to the platform in just the 12 months leading up to the second quarter alone. And so we're making lots of progress in adding to the selection of our platform. We continue to, add to our Dash Pass membership program, which is now at all-time highs. And as a result of increasing the selection, the quality, and the affordability of our platform, we continue to see record growth, as you saw reflected in our results.
Well, Tony, you can really help me here. There are very few companies that were big during the COVID period that are still big. I was surprised at how strong your numbers are, even after people are now going back to work and going out. Were you surprised to see that when COVID kind of ran its course, that your numbers actually improved?
Well, I think the resilience in our business, has been here to stay. And you've seen this not just in the second quarter results, but in the results, ever since COVID started subsiding, maybe a year ago or depending on when you want to measure the statistic. We've just seen strength to strength in terms of our growth. And I think that's for a few reasons. First, I mentioned our product continues to get better. Second, we're still in the earliest innings of the penetration of just the restaurant category alone. And third, I think when you look at this from a macro or historical, perspective, food is just a very resilient category. In fact, in the last 60 years, food spend has only gone down twice, and that's been through, several ups and downs in terms of economic cycles. And then I think when you add on top the other investments that we're making, whether it's our Volt business, which we're super excited to have officially closed, that's growing 50% year on year, which is, far multiples ahead of its peers overseas in Europe. And then you look at the growth in, the new categories of grocery, convenience, retail. All of these things combined, we're building the defining business in local commerce.